here's another problem. Again, what do we write? This is theta to the horizontal. The speed is this. This is VO. How high is the h? That's all we need. Seems easy enough. And this is the r. Right? Okay, we have that. We'll designate that as r. What we're looking for is the h. Okay? And we have VO. It's given 20 meters per second. Okay? So you can write that down, or you can just, oh, and this is given at 40 degrees. You can also write all your given stuff here on the illustration. Okay? VO is 20 meters per second. H is 8 meters. Theta is 40 degrees. Okay. And what are you being required? Is the, okay, you're given the r. And you're looking for h in meters. Okay. How do we solve this? Again, we need the components. We need VOX, which is VO cosine theta, which is 20 meters per second times cosine of 40. And the answer is, I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to do it. 40 cosine times 20. 15.3 meters per second. Okay, and VOY is, again, VO sine theta. Okay, and that means what? 20 degrees meters per second, 20 meters per second times sine of 40 degrees. Okay, so 40 sine times 20 equals, what happened here already? 40 sine times 20. 12.8, 12.9. Yeah, I wouldn't go beyond 1 decimal place. Okay, it's just better to round off. All right, is that all we need? Easy peasy, right? So what we have to do is solve for the time first, right? And that's not really part of the solution, so you can write it here or there, it doesn't matter. So t is equal to v over d. Okay? What is, and this is on the horizontal, right? So what is that? Uh, 15.3. No, see, that's not it. It's d over v. Okay? And the basis is r is equal to vt for constant velocity, right? So, solving for t, it's r over d. R over v. R. Make it look like an R. Okay. And R is 8 meters divided by 15.3 meters per second. And the answer will be 8 divided by 15.3 equals 5.2, no, wrong, 0.52 seconds. Okay, and you can also have just 0.5, that'll be fine. We don't want to be overly precise. So, that's not yet part of our solution. Our solution begins here with the h. And we have to use which? we have to use equation number 3. VOY times T plus 1/2 GT squared. Okay, and we have this information. VOY is 12.9 meters per second times 0.52 plus 1/2 G 0.5 times 0.52 squared. Okay? Okay, and what's the answer? Times 1.5 times 0.5 equals that plus 8.0 meters. How corny. Let's see if we have to check that, right? So 0.25 times 9.8 times 0.5 plus 0.25, 12.9. That's correct. Hopefully. Okay, and that's the only thing we're looking for? Yep. Okay.